चलो, yes, what is the answer of first? Find the median. 33. चलो, 33. 33. Let us verify whether this is answer is correct. 17, 26. First, whenever it is find median, you arrange the data in ascending order. So 17, 26, 29, then 32, 33, 34, then 34, then 45, yes, then 56, 60. Okay, let us see how many data is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9. N is 9. 9 is odd number. So median will be, yes, what is the formula for median when N is odd? Yes, N plus 1 upon 2 term. So N is 9, 9 plus 1 upon 2, that is fifth term of the observation. Fifth term of the observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 33. So median is 33. Very good. So all of you are giving very accurate answers. Second answer is A is 15 degree or 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay, let us see whether A is 30 degree or A is 15 degree or not. So which logic you have applied? Tell me. Which logic you have applied? A, So which logic you have applied? A dot B is 0. This logic we have applied. A dot B is 0. That gives you either A is 0 or B is 0. So multiplication of these two is 0 means either 2 cos 2A, 2 cos 2A minus 1 is 0, or tan 3A minus 1 is 0, or tan 3A minus 1 is 0. Okay? Sure. Tan 3A minus 1 is 0. Yes, Jay Gandhi, solve the problem. That is why I have admitted. So this will give you 2 cos 2A is equal to 1, or tan 3A is equal to 1. Okay? Minus 1. So that will give you cos 2A is 1 by 2, or tan 3A is 1. Now tell me, cos of which angle is half? Cos 60 degree. So you will get 2A is equal to 60 degree. Cos of which angle is 1? 45. So 3A is equal to 45 degree. So 2A is 60 degree, A will be 60 degree by 2, that is 30 degree. 3A is 45, 45 by 3, that is 15 degree. So the answer is 15 degree or 30 degree. Third answer is 0. How you have got 0? Yes. So tan you can write 1 upon cot. Okay. So tan 25 degree you can keep as it is. Then tan 65 I can write 1 upon cot 65. Minus cot 25 degree you can keep as it is. Cot 65 1 upon tan 65. Okay. Then tan and cot they are complementary angles. So cot you write in terms of tan. Tan will be 90 minus 65, that is 25. And this will be tan complementary angle of cot 90 minus 65, that is 25. So cot 25 get cancelled 1. Tan 25 get cancelled 1. 1 minus 1 0. Chalo, factorize. Fourth one. X plus y into x minus y minus a. Yes, what about other? What about other? Yes, factorization, my dear. Factorization. So x into x minus a. Minus y into y minus a. Open the bracket. You will get x square minus ax minus y square minus ay. then ax and ay, they are like term, a common. So x square minus y square, we do the grouping. 4 terms are there, you have to do the grouping. These two I will take together, these two I will take together. So minus ax minus ay. Then x square minus y square, yes. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So that is x plus y into x minus y minus a into x plus y. When you take minus common, inside will be plus. X plus y is common, very good. So that will be x minus y minus a. This is the answer. Yes, yes, Tanvi Patel. So many students are there. Tell me the answer of fifth. X minus 2, y minus 1. So what is your answer? Minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. What about others? So many students are there. What is that? X is minus 2, y is minus 1. X is minus 2, y is minus 1. Or different answer? Minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Same answer. Same answer. Minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Yes? Let us do one problem from beginning of the chapter rational number, and sixth one. If 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2, then the value of a and b, then find the value of a and b. Seventh one. If a square plus b square is seventh one, चलो ठीक है. Seventh one. If a plus b is 1, and a minus b is 7, find the value of ab. Eighth one. Factorize x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus 8, y into 5 minus 8. Chalo, do it. Then chalo, find AB. Chalo, ninth one. We are given a triangle. Okay, we are given a triangle. A B C. Okay. No, this is D. D. Then this is my C. C. Okay. B is given 90 degree. B is 90 degree. Okay. Then D is 30 degree. B is 30 degree. C is 60 degree. C is 60 degree. And CD is 40. CD is 40. This is 40. CD is 40. Find AB. Find AB. So this one, fifth one, others you solve the problem. Fifth one, let me discuss. Fifth one, let me discuss. Those who are not able to solve this, fifth one, you are free to use any method. So 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1, equation 1. 2x minus y is equal to minus 3, equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by 5. So this becomes 10x minus 5y is equal to minus 15. Then you subtract, because same sign, minus minus. So minus plus plus. Then 3 minus 10 minus 7x plus 0. 1 minus 1 plus 15, 14. So x is equal to minus 2. Yes, what you were getting? X is minus 2 for fifth one. So 3 into x minus 2 minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 5y. So you will get y is equal to minus 1. So the answer was x is minus 2, y is minus 1. Yes, same answer. Yes, okay. Sixth answer, bolo, sixth answer. A is equal to 11 upon 7, B is equal to 6 upon 7. Okay. A is equal to 11 upon 7, B is equal to, what about others? What is your answer? A 11 upon 7, B 6 upon 7. Let us verify this answer. Two students they are giving this answer. So whenever you have this type of problem, 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2 is equal to A plus B root 2. Then you have to rationalize the denominator. So multiply and divide by same term, opposite in sign. So 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2 into 3 plus root 2 is equal to A plus B root 2, correct? So same term, A plus B into A plus B whole square. So 3 square is 9 plus 6 root 2 plus root 2 square is 2 upon 7. 3 square 9, 9 minus 2, 7 is equal to A plus B root 2. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 6 root 2 upon 7 will be 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7. A plus B root 2. When you will compare the coefficient, A is equal to 11 by 7. Coefficient of root 2 is B. Coefficient of root 2 is 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is equal to B. So A is equal to 11 by 7. B is equal to 6 by 7. Yes? Yes, everybody has understood. Those who are present. Yes, is it clear? Sixth one. Yes, anybody has any doubt in sixth? Chalo, send me the answer of 7. Chalo, 7 का answer बोलो. What is the answer of 7? A is equal to 4, B is equal to, no, 7th one. Find the value of not A and B, my dear. It is A into B. एक term है. A dot B. Minus 12. AB is minus 12. Let us check. Which formula you have applied? Tell us. Yes, absolutely correct. You can use direct formula. Very good. Funny. Simultaneous linear you cannot do because you have to find A dot B. A dot B. Yes, chalo, ठीक है. Yes. So this is the problem of, you can use the formula A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. Correct? A plus B is given 1 square. A minus B is 7 square is equal to 4AB. Correct? So 1 minus 49 is equal to 4AB. So minus 48 upon 4 is equal to AB. So minus 12 is equal to AB. AB is equal to minus 12. Very good. You have done by linear equation, you have found A and B. You have solved simultaneously, then you have found A and B. Very good. Very good approach. Yes, very good approach you have done. You have used the concept of linear equation in expansion. Very good. So basically mathematics is a subject. You should be able to move forward and backward both the directions. You have studied linear equation, you have studied expansion, you have studied factorization. You should be able to club the result of linear equation in expansion and factorization and expansion in linear equation. Very good. Chalo, tell me the answer of Kate. A minus 5 into x minus y. A minus 5 into x minus y. Yes. A minus 5 into x minus y. See. You remember A minus B, I can write minus of B minus A. Yes or no? Whenever you take minus sign outside. Yes. So same thing. X into A minus 5. This is A minus 5. This is 5 minus A. So when you will write outside minus, then it will be A minus 5. Now A minus 5 is common. You can take A minus 5 common. Then what is left? X minus 5. A minus 5 into x minus 5. Yes? Clear? Is it clear? Or you can open the bracket and simplify. It does not matter. Chalo, send me the answer of 9. Maybe how much? 34.64. 34.64. Unit, we need. Whenever centimeter, meter is not given, you have to write unit. So how you have done? Tell me. Yes? See, whenever you have this type of problem, how many right angle triangle are there? 2. One smaller one and bigger one. Smaller one and bigger one, which side is common? AB is common. So you find AB for smaller triangle, you find AB for bigger triangle, and then you compare. Okay, so BC I will consider X. Then for smaller triangle, this is my hypotenuse. So opposite is given, adjacent is given. Opposite and adjacent, which ratio? Tan. So for smaller triangle, you will write tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to, opposite is AB upon adjacent is X. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB upon X. So AB is X root 3. Then you find AB for bigger triangle. You will write tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon adjacent. Adjacent is BD, that is 40 plus X. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB upon 40 plus X. Okay. So you will get 40 plus X upon root 3 is equal to AB. This is AB, this is AB. So when you will equate, you will get 40 plus X upon root 3 is equal to X root 3. Yes? Yes or no, my dear? So cross multiply karo. Cross multiply. So 40 plus X is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3X. So 40 is equal to 3X minus X, 2X. So X is equal to 20. अगर x 20 आ गया, this is my, हाँ this is my 20. So what is AB? AB is x root 3, that is 20 root 3. Root 3 is 1.732, 1.732, certain values you remember. Root 2 is 1.414. So 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are, sorry. So this is 3 4 6 4, decimal after 3 places, 1 2 3 from right. Answer is 34.64 unit. Whenever centimeter meter is not given, you will write the unit as unit. Okay? You will write the unit as unit. Whenever meter centimeter is not given, we write the unit as unit. Chalo. Now which chapter you want me to give problem? Which chapter? Any chapter. Very good. That was the expected answer. That means our students are fully prepared. Even if mixed questions are given, because this time all of you should get, because there is no certainty when corona will get over. Okay, even though the government is planning to reopen the school, but nothing can be said. Okay, nothing can be said. Nothing can be said. Chal, if cot theta is, and this is which number? 6, 7, 8. Problem number 10. If cot theta is equal to 3 by 4, find the value of, find sin theta minus cos theta, find sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. Cot theta is given 3 by 4. 11th question. 11th question. 11th question. 11th question. 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 Factorize x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus 3. Use common sense and get the answer. The things are not difficult. If x is root 5, minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3, and y is root 5 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3, root 3, then find first, find the value of xy, x into y. Second, find the value of x plus y. Third, find the value of x minus y. So everybody has to solve the problem. Merely just for attendance you are joining. That should not happen. because that will be reflected in the exam. Okay. So this is revision. Even though you have not attended regular period, few periods, you participate in the revision. Then only you will get the confidence. Okay, because this time not even a single question answer will be there in the textbook or notebook. Numbers will be changed. Question will be twisted. Whatever we are doing here, the same type is done, but not the same number. So I can pick up any problem from any textbook of the same type. Number are changed. Then only way is you have to work out and get the answer. So if you have not get acquainted with yourself in solving the problem, then you will find examination difficult. Yes. Tenth answer. Anybody has 10th answer? 1/7. 1/7. See this direct answer. I told you whenever you have sine cos, and if you are given tan, then we divide by cos. If you are given cot, divide by sine. Divide numerator and denominator by sine. So 1 minus cot theta upon 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta value is given 3/4. 1 plus 3/4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3. 1/4 upon 7/4. 4 get cancelled. Answer is 1/7. Are you getting? This I had explained you. Whenever you are given cot, and if it is sine and cos, then divide by sine. Divide by sine. Whenever you have tan, then it is sine cos, divide by cos. Whenever you have tan, divide by cos. Whenever you have cot, divide by sine. You will get the direct answer. Other way is, you have to draw the diagram. You have to draw the diagram. This is my theta. Tan theta is given ABC. Tan theta is given, cot theta. Cot theta. So you can find tan theta, that is 4/3. What is tan theta? Opposite upon adjacent. This is 4, this is 3. Use Pythagoras theorem, you will get 5. Then you find sin theta, you find cos theta, substitute the value of sin theta, cos theta, simplify, you will get the answer. Chalo, what is the answer of 11? Very good, very good. I thought you will be confused. Yes, Tanvi Patel, others? What is the answer? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Let us verify. X minus 2 into x plus 2, a plus b into a minus b will be x square minus 2 square, that is 4. Yes? A plus b into a minus b, no? A plus b, a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square, x square minus 2 square, 4 plus 3. That will be x square minus 1. Again 1, I can write 1 square, again a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. This is also one of the method. There are other method also. You open the bracket, simplify, you will get a simplify. Chalo, what is the answer of 12? First, xy. xy is 1. xy is 1. Okay, what about x plus y? Yes. Now xy. xy means x into y. Let us do. So root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. You can see numerator get cancelled with denominator, denominator get cancelled with numerator. What is left? 1. So xy directly you can get 1. Okay, see this. Now to find x plus y, I have to rationalize the denominator of x. So rationalize will be root 5 minus root 3. So that will be root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3, root 5 minus root 3 square upon 5 minus 3, that is 2. So that will be 5 minus 2 root 15 plus 3 upon 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 minus root 15 is x. Similarly, you can get y. Y will be 4 plus root 15, y. Okay, so when you will find x plus y, add them. X plus y will be 4 plus 4, 8. Minus root 15 get cancelled with root 15. Then what about x minus y? X minus y, subtract, 4 4 get cancelled. 4 4 get cancelled. What is the answer? Tell me. X minus y, 4 minus root 15 minus 4 minus root 15 will be minus 2 root 15. Yes? Are you waiting? Yes or no? Yes, Tanvi Patel, is it clear? Satish Patel, Tanvi Patel, then there are so many students. Yes, Jay Gandhi, where you are? Jay Gandhi, only you are joining and sleeping. Not even a single question answered, Jay Gandhi. Only he is coming late. He want to be admitted, but he do not want to be participant. Chalo, one question I am giving. This time is over. 1:30. Now we stop here. Next time we will see few more problem of division. Bye everybody. Bye. See project you can submit.